Hey everyone, it's Kevin. I'm in the garage building this 72-inch grinder. I wanted to tell you guys a couple days ago I lost my dad. So I'm making some mistakes on this 72-inch grinder, but it's keeping my mind off a lot of stuff. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I know a lot of you want to know what's going on in my life, and somebody commented a little while back when I had Lyme's disease. Well, I had Lyme disease, and then I ended up, a tree fell on me, and I kind of thought to myself, what else could happen, you know, because, you know, usually bad things come in threes, and I didn't know I'd be losing my dad. Anyhow, the last time I talked to my dad, I was working on this grinder. We were cutting the plate for the base. So this grinder I'm going to do the best that I can for him. He liked to watch me do the videos. He always talked to me about them. And he thought that a lot of this stuff, he used to tell me, say, you shouldn't put that on the internet, you should patent that stuff. And I told him, I said, Dad, all the stuff I'm doing is helping other people. So why patent it? Why not we just share it with them and let them have something nice? You know, so, you know, let them build. Let them know how it's built. You know, there's so much going on in this world now. You know, you try to save money any way you can. And what I think I do a lot of times might save people money. Or save them time. So I'm going to build this grinder for my dad, and like I said, you know, I'm making some mistakes, but we'll go as we go, as we can, and we'll get it done. So I love you, Dad.